Welcome Pisces to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's dive into your weekly reading for love and career from November 28th to December 4th. Let's see what the general energy around your love life is. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is or will be returning to your life soon. Oh, how wonderful is that? So let's pick three cards in the past, three cards in the present, three cards in the future. Let's see your main challenge as far as your love life is concerned. And then let's see your person's intentions for you. Let's see what the cards have to say. You've got the Queen of Swords, you've got the Ace of Cups, you've got the Lovers, you have the Five of Wands, the Eight of Swords, and the Judgment card. And you have Hope, and you have the Ace of Wands, and you have the Chariot, and your main challenge is the Empress, and what you don't see coming at you at the bottom of the deck is the Hierophant. So clinging on to traditions, clinging on to old patterns, old ways of doing things, kind of taking refuge in what you already know, you know. So the thing is that you are, of course, whoever is on your mind, whoever is the person on your mind, there is a lot of love for you, for this person in your heart. And as the Ace of Cups and the Lovers shows, it's a time of a fresh start, a fresh beginning. If it's with an old lover, then this is a new beginning, a new phase for you. The Lover shows that emotions run really deep. Your heart is true for this person. Of course, as the Five of Wands and the Eight of Swords and the Judgment shows, there is a period of stress, things quite not going your way, feeling stressed out, feeling stuck. There might be some kind of conflict, there might be some arguments, there might be some not seeing eye to eye, you know. And in the future, the Ace of Wands in the Chariot shows this is a time to look at the relationship with a new lens of creativity, looking at the possibilities of the connection, looking at the various possibilities of the connection. The Chariot shows that it's a good time to embark on a new journey, or to embark on an old path. You've stopped pausing, you are ready to move ahead, to forge ahead. Now let's clarify each of these cards. Let's clarify the Empress. You've got the Five of Wands. You've got the Hangman, which is Pisces energy. And you have the King of Swords. So definitely some kind of conflict. You may be in a planning stage. You may be in a limbo, kind of mentally assessing the situation. The Queen of Swords is clarified by Star, by the Sun, and the Emperor. All major arcana cards. All major arcana cards. So this is a very significant relationship for you. And you seek more control in the relationship. The relationship could have gone into a period of stagnation. You seek to, kind of get the youthful vigor back into the connection. The Ace of Cups is clarified by the Six of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So this person, you really respect this person. You really look up to this person. You see this person as more mature than you, more in control of their emotions. You view this person that way. The Lovers is clarified by the Two of Swords, the Six of Swords, and the Three of Swords. Okay. So all swords energies for lovers, There could be stress, there could be clarity that you have got out of the pain that you have experienced, you know. So whatever trying, tribulating times you've gone through, you know, you have got clarity out of it. Okay, but your love still runs deep. The Five of Wands is clarified by the Four of Swords, another Swords card, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Eight of Wands. This is a time of great healing, kind of sitting with yourself, embracing the silence, embracing the solitude, you know, and going forward, expect communication with this person. The Eight of Swords is clarified by the Ten of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Two of Cups. So, whether it's an old connection or a new connection, this is a good time to embark on that journey. Okay, there'll be a lot of togetherness, a lot of commitment, a lot of promises that are going to be kept also in the future. You know, a lot of words spoken from the heart. And judgment is clarified by the Queen of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. So, two Wands cards, clarifying a major arcana card. So, a time of great creativity. You're probably focusing on your career. You're probably charting the course ahead. You're trying to make the best of what life has given you. The Ace of Wands is clarified by the Eight of Swords. You've got the Eight of Swords twice, Judgment twice, and the Knight of Pentacles. A little stressful time, but you're kind of looking away from the stressful time. Could be of a monetary nature, could be career related, could be related to the finances of the relationship. And the Chariot is clarified by the Four Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. So, this forging ahead, you know, you view this person very seriously. You want to end up with this person. You know, for many of you, you see this as the last person you're going to date, you know. But there is a need to kind of work hard on the relationship and make those steady steps towards the future. Now let's see this person's intentions. First, let's see what's in the shadow in the Rider White deck. You've got the World in the shadow. So a cycle is coming to an end. You know, this could be the completion of a phase in a relationship or the completion of a relationship before you embark on a fresh start. You know, you a kind of ending, so to speak. And let's see this person's intentions towards you. You've got the Star. This person is manifesting you or praying for you or blessing you in their heart, you know, blessing you in their prayers. They view you very kindly and very lovingly, and they really love you. Okay. So that's all I have for you for relationships. Let's dive into your into your reading for career. If you like this reading, Pisces, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. Let's see what the cards are for your career. We'll be picking 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future to see the general energies for your career, Pisces. And then we'll pick a card from the Wisdom of the Gitas to see, you know, what the Gita deck has to say as advice for you. You've got the Wheel of Fortune, the Magician, the Three of Pentacles. You have the Three of Cups, the High Priestess, the World, okay. And you have the Ten of Cups, the Tower, and the Queen of Cups. And what you don't see coming at you at the bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. expect communication, expect collaboration. Even the Three of Pentacles in the spread shows that expect collaboration, expect to communicate with those you work with. Uh, the Wheel of Fortune, the Magician, and the Three of Pentacles shows that all the responsibilities you have now and all the pressure you have now has been self sculpted. You have created this phase in your career, and you're going through a lucky phase, a good time to start a new job, a good time to embark on a new project, a new career path also for some of you. In the present, expect fresh communication, expect your inner voice to become clearer, your intuition to become clearer, expect old ways no more work. This is a new way of doing things, a new you embarking on a new journey. And in the future, the Ten of Cups, the Tower, and the Queen of Cups shows that whatever you're doing is a passion project. You are following your heart, and things are likely to transform in such a way that you feel shaken, but the outcome of the situation is going to be really good. So that's all I have for you for career. Let's see what the wisdom from the Gitas is for you, Pisces. You've got next destination. Okay, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces have got the same cards. What is this? So, like I told Capricorn and Aquarius, this is a period of transition, a period of transformation. You're going from one significant chapter, one significant story in your life to another significant chapter, another significant story in your life. You're moving from one destination to another destination. And what you do now will define the reality of your next point of arrival. Okay, so you are kind of transforming, you're kind of changing, you're kind of growing. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay blessed. Bask in love and light. See you next week. Bye.